Let none doubt that the Tau Empire will bring unity to all. Let none doubt that now is our time. Forward for the greater good.
Aun O Tau Akaya Va Denta, or Aun Va for short, is the Ethereal Supreme of the Tau Empire. Succeeding from the previous leader of the Ethereal Council, Aun Wei, his appointment as the Master of the Undying Spirit heralded many glories for the Empire during his tenure. Endorsed from a young age to one day assume the mantle of Ethereal Supreme, Aun Va's skills at diplomacy, morale boosting, and leadership have been earned through countless years of experience during the second sphere of expansion. Earning the unquestionable loyalty of all members of the Tau Empire, with exception given to a singular soul, Oshova, Aun Va has overseen the expansion of the greater good with more success than any of his predecessors. Awakening Oshasera, Commander Shadowsun, to lead the third sphere of expansion, billions of souls toiled to repel the myriad threats seeking to thwart the expansion of the Tau Empire under the guidance of their wise ruler. Each caste stood united to bring prosperity to future generations, the Ethereal Supreme leading from the front lines alongside his appointed hero of the Fire caste. Such was his zeal that no Tau stood idle, each instilled with courage and purpose as they watched holovid broadcasts of their righteous leader alongside warriors of the Fire caste charging through Imperial lines. Atop his hover throne, wielding the staff known as the Paradox of Duality, images of Aun Va, besides newly created marvels such as XV-104 Riptide battlesuits, showed the Ethereal Supreme imploring the beleaguered human defenders to surrender their arms and join the cause of the greater good. Stoking the Tau species morale to heights never seen before, despite the progress made during the third sphere of expansion, Aun Va would perish by the hands of the Imperials upon the world of Agrellan Prime. Slain by a Culexus assassin during the second Agrellan campaign, such a catastrophic defeat could not be allowed to spread. Redacting all information of the death of the Ethereal Supreme, the Ethereal Council continued to broadcast holographic projections of their vaunted Aun O to maintain morale across the Empire. The loss of the champion of the greater good, far too grave for the species to bear.